Dumelang ko gae, ditso la ka ke Tebogong Fete, ke Isikhumbuzo. Ka tseno ke tlo kopana le family ya Hasikhosana. Ba batla gore ke ba thuse ka lebitla le le timetseng la abuti wa bona. Ere ke kopane le bona, ke utlwe gore ba reng. La ka papa, la ka mama, ditso la ka ke Tebogong Fete, ke sa ke le ko Isikhumbuzo. Le mpiditse gore ke tlo le thusa ka go batla lebitla la abuti. So ne ke kopa gore mme be re tse moqoqonyana re tsamaye re bue re ye ko leng gore go iragetse ko teng akere ke a believe gore se mo gona mo jarateng mo akere ke go tlasenyana akere so a re tse ngoko re ye ko leng gore tshwantse re tluba ka teng a re a se ka tshapa. So ha tombstone ba re ke grave e latlhega ke ntwaneng e sa hetse nna le papa
Moshore sale ilahlea from America lao ya kote ka 2012.
Ka 2012.
Ka 2005.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so only about like 12 years after latlhegile.
Hona jwanong e re fetsa go beya letlapa.
Yeah.
Ke ka 2012 ke beya letlapa.
Ke ka 2012 beya letlapa.
Last year ka 2014.
Yeah.
2024.
Yeah.
Ke ba qala ba re monna no letlapa le le mo plekeng ya bona.
Yeah.
Ba le bitla
ba le batla. Ba bone byang bona ba nga ba le bitla ba gore le wrong bona. Gore lena a se motho a lena mo ke motho wa bona.
Le bona ba batla go beya le.
Yeah.
E ba batla go beya letlapa.
Yeah.
Ba kry-a gore no ba re mo rona se lona e kere ke lona.
Yeah.
Wa costa gore tshwantse re
lepe
e re epa
la bona la se
kry-a gore se
okay so ke bona mo ke bontsha motho na tlhaeletse mo lo ka re wa pere le ka se le brown with something se pink ke mang ke motho wa bona ona re betse mo
ne le multicolor
ke ena motho na re ke ena motho wa bona ke re na ba bile kubo ka dimo ka modimo hale ha ntshwela ke yeah so ke ba to understand that from ko mama le papa gore ntshwelena e le tshwere jwang because wa tseba gore rena as batho ba baso gore re thole mo motho a le mo teng re thole le bitla ke ntshweleng gore e important ga go so e le tshwere byang ntwe
re tshwere ha bohloko
e le tshwere ha bohloko
haholo papa
ene ira gore dilo tsa lena di ska tsamaya right because abuti a tlholagala ke yeah ke bona Paul ke mang ke ena motho leng gore re tlile ka ena oh alright so but ka bona on the day yana go a bolokwa no le teng wena ma so wa tseba so they mixed up go gore on na go boloka motho o le mokeleng gore le ne nna hano re kena le bana ba bolokile ka tsetse le wa
no ha re buisana le bona ba re go rona ka di 11 ke ha wa rona tlhokofala bona ka di 11 ke ha ne ba pata different mo dina ba tsa rona tse ba di tlhaisa batho ba re kopaneng le bona
yeah so ke taba ya mopato bona on the 11th and lena ne ba boloka ka di 11 and then they mixed up ibile ka di 11 yeah gore ke poloko le taba gore le burial le mo le kreng go tlhokofala le burial yeah so wa bona gore no go tlonya ka ha lore gana ya nong ha re go nne le ntse ka reng e be Isikhumbuzo gore ha re thola le bitla leo re tsebe gore re tlomaka gore ke mo kae mo a dutseng mo teng akere yeah so ke tloba ke ba tshwantsho gore ke batla le mpatle le yona o nana le motse wa hae family hae
ke nna family ya ke na sina ngwana na sina next year
and then batho ba go le Lesotho ke bo mang
arena batho ba go le
Lesotho go tsompantsha batho ba go le Lesotho ene kwa leng go teng ore ya o batla gore a kragale gore le nna le tsana di khone gore di bulega kere wa ke bona batho ba Khosana o Khosana ke bo mang batho ba
ke nna wa Khosana
okay so ke brother ba hao ke brother ba hao
ka moraga
batho ba 5 ke le
a good
hele feletse le 5 go hae or go bona diphentsana ba
go hae re 4
okay
are feletse
yena le mobala yeah ka bona no this thing ele affectile ga golo ke lo bona and then if re thola this grave it tloetsang for lena le tlo ikutla bang if ke re assume ra mthola yanong o ke mo ke khonong ho mmona mo teng it tlo tsoro go etsa haleng for lena
ai re tlo thaba
tla
wa
re
tseba.
fodile.
Oh,
Le tlabe
tlabe
le
re
thabile
fodile,
gagolo.
thabile,
Yeah, yeah.
lelejwe la hae sa le ke le beya ka moo
Ka mola le teng ka tlong. And why this time? Why le feel hore hona yanong ke ntho e leng hore la batla vele vele hore le make sure le ba keng le bitla la le thola. Ke eng ke ntho e tsang hore le taba e le sala morago?
a ke re gona ko mabitleng re tlhola re ya ro ikopela
Yeah, yeah.
yaanong ga se o tlhaela taba e
Yes,
ke
yes.
yona jone e se re wa re tšhore gante ntse re ya pelekeng e
Yeah.
seng ya rona
E seng ya lona.
Yeah.
And I le thabisi
Ha e re
because le batla ho thola hore gantlantle motho o mo kae hore le khone ho tswala mo le mo teng. Wa bona? Yeah, yeah. No. I think now from my side hona yanong ke qale ke thotse ntho ne ke di batla because ke tloa hore now re ye ko ntlong re thole like something se re ka se tholang from there ke re tseye re se beye mogo gore e nne is khumbuzo hore le se ke bela latlhela ke ntho that grave again ever again e lo re la maka hore motho o mo because ke shomo le moteng le batla hore cause le jo already le teng le maka le bona le jo le teng le batla hore le kenye mo plekeng e right yeah so it's an issue hore tshwanetse re kwa re thole batho ba office le bona ba khone verify hore mo e ka tswa e le grave ya hae the 1215 king
1250 la sila sipati na le o mong ke la sipati ne 1215
ke mo patile motho mong hape mo teng wa family
ke ngwanyana o tlanka mo mraka o yena o la
le yena o go the same cemetery
Yeah.
mara la tsebe no mo kae ke
Yeah,
okay
yena
so
ra
I'm picking that up so ne ke tlo kopa from this now re fela go kareng re ka go ntlong re thole something sort of like sa o maka and then re bontsha re go etsagala okay and then that's it and then re tlo go mabitleng after that then what I will do go mabitleng ke tla kena nna ke bue and then amputse na but Paul hore o bonahala le mo kae mara first ro qala ko le lena le ring batho ba le ba itsekile le wrong I get mo ne le mo patile mo ne le bile the tombstone at first I get pila get then after from there and answer mon I can through abutebogo a bole lor ena o mo kae ya utlwahala get yeah and then we can take it from there get a re tsamayeng ro nka nthwela as in e tlo nna taba gore ke yona isikhumbuso sa lena gore he ke se ke mo thola ke re o robetse mo ditla ha ke le la mannete ya nwa ke re banong ro thola mannete le tsore le a le sotlhoro le tlo la tlhala ke le bitla le ever again ha le tla next time ke mo tlebe tlo bjang le tlapa le leng gore se le tsere ko the wrong grave re bya mo mothong o mo right re le ena butpholo a khone re bala pila ke all right a re tsamayeng Alright, bahaitso le iponetse re ntse re na le family ya gas Khosana ke story se leng gore se utsa bohloko gagolo so ke ba kopile gore ba tle le something as is khumbuzo go bontsha gore ha ke tlo thola gravy a Paul ba khone re ntho ba itlogele mo as mo ba tlo gopola mo teng gore ba ska latlha gravy e ya buti gape la tseba gore re nna se batho ba batho ntse di grave ke ntse tse botlhokwa gagolo alright so le ntholetse ntho e le bekerile la grile wena le papa gore ke le bekerile ne la hae
ke ne le la hae a ba le fa papa gore a
nwetse ka lona ke re ne le motho wa kereka ke re yeah so is this the reason why gore ka le bekerile go tlo ba easy gore le mothole e bjene gore le mo nwese because I get kwa leng go teng khala sa thulahale so o gore o nyorile papa mo le mo teng so le nna es ke bona le bekerile the connection is easier for me and then it's more stronger because re bua ka motho le re na rapela mo gagolo and this is what the ntho ya every day I berekisa a kenya dascoot wa hae a ituna mo bankeng mola mo gatse mo stilong a inwela tee ya gae ke or ditaelo tsa hae tsa kreka ke so le nna ke a ilebogela so la iponela ba haitso this is the ntho ba tlo berekisang ba Khosana gore e sa le mo lebitleng mola gore e khone go bontsha gore ha re tshola Paul re tsebe gore batho ba Khosana ba sotlhe ba lahla lebitla la hae e nne sekhumbuso sa bona gore ke mo a robetseng mo teng alright so re kana re tsamaya nong and then ra tsana mo koleng then ste re tswa go mabitleng a kere yeah a re tsamaya so le ke le kentse mo ne le re le rong kere la motho o leng gore a se ene kere because mo gore betse somebody else o mo different kere yeah so ke be 2025 ke 21 ke 20 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so ke mo o a leng mo teng mo so it's a wrong person. So mo abuti le makoko go tlhopisa pele makoko pele kere makoko o mona kere yeah ne, and then the row ya makoko le ena they were not on the same row. They were not on the same row. I get abuti na le ka morong e leng pele ya makoko a kere makoko ke a kere di row tse di tsamaso diakwa a dikwa a kere ya wan diakwa pele kere ke ra ipapa ne diakwa kere so go qadile pele process ya makoko mo la kere then ho tla mo ne le rena hano re ke abuti which is the same yeah. So le feel jwang hore le bone hore mo a se play ke right le ke intho le hore mo le fihle le biye le tle le tlo etsa hape why ne le nahana hore mo ke mo ho right
I get in the who right to Bani, my heart told a number of the funeral.
Yeah.
Told them to honoring all.
Yeah.
And what's in number yam.
Yeah.
That's why I fell more.
Yeah.
And I sit
Kanda sitting. Yeah, life beno life feel bang still around it's like until you just until it's little nta happy, little later happy, little nta, and then life feel a jwang.
I feel
ha bohloko go sa se lona ke so le tlo feel jwang because ona beno mbiano o ko nna o re ke teng morong so le tlo feel jang go se ke tlo montsha maleng mo teng le tlo feel bang hore mo leng mo teng le tlo mothola ka tseno le khono tloela le make ya lena hore ka nnete o mo a kere ene nka rata ha por mohlomong re thole bopaki from ko officing hore ke mang a boloketse mo grading ke tlo reng ke ena because on the same row la tseba ke hore on the same row but the problem go di number di akwa not kwa so or number 4 number 5 ke mo leng mo teng so le feel bang gore re tlo mothola sekhalwana ba no mo wa bona so o a re motlohela a ithobelle ka khotso wa bona yeah so o re nna ke nna Paul ke tlhokofetse ka bolwetse ke nnete tsa mele ka bolwetse I get or na le spetlele or na tsore ke taba mafatla or ke diabetes
na le
diabetic so ke nnete ke so yeah so ke tlo kena mo leng mo teng so a ring leading na ke le leader sorry okay. Yeah re bona tsore ke mahaban yeah so it's 1 it's 2 it's 3 which is ke 15 16 17 18 19 number 19 what mark do you remember hore lebilemo
number
do you recognize this mark
yeah tsona ke tsa Evalona ke retsi
tsa Evalona ke
yeah ke tsa Evalona tse
o re se mo stene do you remember le bia stena ba ntse ne le beile a mark ene le beile mo number 9 trailer so it tlhaisa hape there's 2 marks na le something ne le skentse ko di tlhontsha hai
a re sa hopola ba
ke
ya ke re jwanong ha re tlama re pata hona le ba masika ke bona
ba masika from the point ba mo ke somebody more is actually another grave but we're not going to talk about this because it's not our grave a passage or ke felletse mo so we need to tell bopaki or ke nna Paul ke robetse mo akere yeah or ke mo ke robetse mo teng or mo ke se supo sa gore ke felletse mo or le na le rile a mixed up or na ko lempoloka it was a Saturday akere or lempolikile ka 10 o'clock ya hoseng but ba kreke ke batho ba hae ba ne ba le bana tsore mokete masione ba tsole o bolokile ke bontate like batho ba ne ba opela so or on the day no hopediwa or the grave kimo or while mpatla kwale what made hore le nahana re ke mola where else na ke ipona ke le mo setting or le apandile sebaka or July king July ke the 11th it's not the date of the burial is the death date so or counting from July the 11th the 12th 13 14 15 16 meaning I'm buried when I'm buried on the 16th of July 2005
yeah
I did not get buried on the on the
on the
7th of July. I get the 7th of July is my death date. Certificate. I don't know sorry. Yo! So, this is the death date. So there's a connection of the death date and the burial date. So I was not buried on the 7th of July. I died on the 7th of July. And I was buried on a Saturday. When I died, it was on a Monday. Do you confirm? It was on a Monday. You confirm it was a Monday. And then Sunday nale. So get to Monday go kai go hospital because nikili diagnosed nikili admitted for diabetes. Get ka hatse like get little nala tsompona on Sunday afternoon. I get then you got a call hore ka Monday ka matha or ke khawile ka matha. So on the Monday the following so I was buried on the 16th of July. He called grave number 5. So mo kimo killing mo ti ne yeah. But orna mo killing kimo timo or niki semunat neger nek semunat nek tama kisimunat napalo ko sama napalo ko itshwaretse I get so motho romano wa itshwareletsa la motshwara ka mo go re bontse na go ya ushwa or o shule ka 12 go tshelela ka ntle I get or bontsha a day which is a Monday ne or bontsha gore ke ka nkotlo go feseng ka teng le gore o bolele ke diabetes. So this is the actual grave that we are looking for. So an abandoned grave for otlo bona gore ke yona, it's a grave mo holding no one comes. You could see how this grave since they buried they have never been here at all. So there's only look at the roof of this thing. It shows it's been here for years and years. Asinthomalo motho a bolikiwa maloba years and years. And o kana lebella grave e leng hore motho a teng o bolikile recently and check the number. And ka 2005 o re ko nna Tebogo ne ba berekisa dilo tse go maka ne ba sa ngwale mo Nelson exactly. So it's an old thing hakere yeah e utlwala ne ya tlhana ne like understand ne yeah. So o re tlhokang pilailo here I am now linthotse le ka sthole sotle ha gore ke mo kae. So ke tlokopa mama I be that lebekere mo then re be stena then re tlamela confirmation from the office tsa lebekere le. And then what you're gonna do, then you're gonna put this, but we don't want this or so we be then retake a stain. Okay. Retake a stain, and then we know her now. It's in here. This is the person that we're looking for. So we are stain, we take a lens to her escape. Yeah. So kinna Paul's Kosana, Kimokrobe Motemo, by look like a or what tab or casually mukredi malimoteng, ebe motus we take a cortines casama. We do the toba nakatini. Yeah, we take a little up. Yeah. Yes. Yo! Yeah! Little hope like it. So now what we have done, guys, we have left is Kumbuzo to say about Paul Skosana. We have marked ka lebikiri rabea listina le number. So now we have reclaimed the number ki BM 2119 naker to say mo kimo kile mote bolelang le yana something lo motso hore le toetsang from there lo native again. Do you feel any connection with this grave? Bolelang maikutlo lena
diseleng bona mme ke a thaba ha go thotse a sheko entse ke tsamaya ska re ne go lahlile ngwana mme ne ke tla o lahla ntse ke ya plekeng e senyo ke go teng nyawo hante ke ya plekeng e senyo jale ke thabile ka sheko ha re fumane e ka re ka matsatsi ohle ha re ka o dule o re shebile go bana le so re furaletse mhlomo
ke nna pholo mo ke nna pholo ke
nna re sa hlola re tla o nna ra thaba ntike polo ngwana mme
ba tse ke pelaelo ke mo ke robetse mo teng mo ba tse gore ba ka belaelo re ke kae ke nna ka nnete mo ke kopa re ntshetse botshelo ba ka ke nna ke
le lebekerile le beile mo ke le no nwa ka lona ditaelo ntiseleng ka sware le tlisitse ke lona le file o ba lebekerile o nwa ka lona ditaelo jale ke leo ke tlo beya lona ka sheko o bontsha hore re sa o latla le ntho tsa o ntse re di babaletse ntiseleng ke a kopa hle ngwana mme se ka hlola ho le ka tsatsi le lwang hore fetohela re lokisetse ntho tsa rona mohlongo no kwatile that's why ntho tsa rona ne sa tsamaye ka tsela re kopa fela re thuso ko tse ntho tse ngata ntiseleng a ko di bule ngwana mme ra kopa le dintho di eme fela jalo ka hobane re tlile ntiseleng ho wena ke kgola o tla dintsha bula ka o fela di dishopo tse kwalehileng tse sintse ro furaletse ntho di senyehile ntiseleng ntho di senyehile.
So ra leboga re bohela le badimo ba golo gore bontsha gore a botso mokae e ke yona program ya isikhumbuzo gore ga o latlhetse ke le bitla o tle re thuse o thole motho ha gore o mokae ka mokgwa re khona o thusa family ya Sikhosana mama le papa then o tle o be a mark which is your isikhumbuzo sa ha gore le bitla leo le sotlo lo latlhehela because by the time reta a re tsebro tle o ready hore o ka lukisa botshelo ba motho a robetseng mo but put a reminder with this one ya re bontsha go gae hore when we don't keep reminders or re be le tseleng hore ja re gopotsa like khale ya re bontsha hore re tlo latlhela ke batho mo ba robetseng mo teng. Okay ba gaitso re fitlhile mo mabitleng re feditse le bona ba Sikhosana le lena le iponetse gore go etsahetseng ka family e. I was able gore ke thole gore Abut Paul o robetse mo kae o mpontshitse ena ka wena gore o robetse mo kae gore ke khone fa family ya hae gore ba thole grave ya hae mo le mo teng. O boletse hape le gore the issue nearly the confusion near the burial date and the death date which is something se leng gore sone khone gore ke ba lokisetse gore no Abut Paul o tlhokofetseneng le gore ilane o lokile ka tsatsi le lefeng. So lo ena go haiko if lo re o nyaka thuso ke kopa o re ngwalle mo dinameng tse di tlhaelang mo screening mo nna ke le tebogong fete ke tlo tla ka o thusa ka go Clear channel 157 ka tseno ke go katlegong ke ngwaletse ke Auspuleng o batla ke tlo mo thusa go batla le bitla la ausi wa hae re ke kopane le ena go tlo gore ena a reng le kae ma
re teng mo kae
ke teng ke tebogo from Sikhumbuzo Clear channel 157
okay mina ngu Mavis Ngubeni
okay ma Mavis alright ngajabula kwazi you unkwaletse re ke tlo thusa ka go batla le bitla la ausi wa gae
la seswami yes
yeah alright re kana ra tsamahanyane o mpotsa re wa unkwaletse ke
yes
alright so Mampule ke kopa mpotsa gore this cemetery ya Aus Patricia how has it affected because you don't know kuti le grave kuphi how has that affect umndeni
uaffecteke kakhulu ngoba siyalifuna igrave lakhe asilitholi yes yena ufihlwe ngo1990
ufihlwe ngo1990
yes
ngiyabona ukuthi also le ndaba le ye certificate inkinga because it's missing now certificate now also is also missing. It was there before but it's missing, it's not there anymore.
Yes kunjalo ilahlekile vele kwasha njengoba kwashe ekamereni kamama kwasha zonke amaphepha azange siphinde siyithole i-death certificate yakhe
angisithole okay
yes
okay so if you guys would be able to lithole le cemetery ka Sis Patricia how will that help you as umndeni
sizabe sincedeke kakhulu masingathola ke na igrave la ka siswami ngoba sifuna ukumbekela i-tombstone bonke sesibabeyelile ama-tombstone kushoda yena asilitholi igrave lakhe ngingajabula kakhulu maninga nginceda ukuthi ngilithole ithuna lakhe
okay
sikhona ukuthi simbekele indlu yakhe naye
okay uphuma la from the 6 people ne
yes uphuma la from the 6 people
from the 6 people
yes
okay and then what other ways actually what other ways did you guys do ukuthi lithole lethuna besides ukuthi libalele mina uTebogo la isikhumbuzo ukuthi ngize ngolisiza what other things have you done
azange sicontact umuntu.
Okay.
Yes, sikushuthi besiloko sizifunela thina siya lapha graveyard.
Okay.
Siloko sizifunela kwathola ukuthi hayi asitholi yazi saya nasemabhodweni. La kubhekwa khona bani checkela khona ukuthi umuntu ungcwatshwe nini. Basichekela emabhodweni basitshela ukuthi bona ababoni lelo thuna lelo.
Yeah, ngibona ukuthi kunomuntu wesilisa la khuluma naye la funeral parlor. Did you also go lapho la khuluma nabo la funeral parlor?
Yes, ukhona.
Wathi lo muntu lo?
Wathi uzasichekela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Since today azange asilethele impendulo ukuthi sekachekile or kanjani.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So masifika lapho emathuneni if umkhulu athi okay sisipule ithuna laka sisipredisha lila, how will that change impilo yakho?
Yo ingatshintsha impilo yami kakhulu, impilo yami ingachintsheka ngoba siyamfuna impela simtholi siyazenza izinto, imisebenzi siyayenza, siyabavakashela abanye. Yena asikhona ukuyombona ngapha ngoba asazi ithuna lakhe. Kungaba injabulo enkulu kimi. Bangathola. Yes.
Okay, ngibona amantombazana ayi2 or abantombazana amayi2. How bani labantombazana? Are they linked to Sis Patricia?
Well, abo sisibami.
Yeah,
i-first born.
Yeah.
Ne second last born. Bashonile nabo. Yes.
Okay, now bashona nabo. Okay, but not the same style as Sis Patricia.
Yes.
Something else. Bagula into zabo nje.
Yes, bagulile
bona.
Yes,
Okay. So the way sisebenza ngakhona la isikhumbuzo ngizokutshela ukuthi uye lapha endleni umphathele into ngathi isikhumbuzo that you will bring, that we will leave lapho emathuneni masithola grave like Sis Patricia ne.
Okay.
So you will go there in the house and just get anything that you wena ufila ukuthi lento le izokhuluma nawe, and then also Sis Patricia uzoyithanda. So that masithola ithuna lakhe it's easier for you guys ukuthi mali again, so that you may not lose a track of that cemetery again ne.
All right.
Yeah, so ngicela ukuthi udlule lapho and then uye lapho endleni then uzokhuluma nawe in just a few minutes ne.
Okay.
Ngiyabonga. Ko haile tiponetse gore Mampule ha tsebe gore le bitla la Sis Patricia le ko kae. Ke mo kopile gore a e kontlung a ilong rela sekhumbuso gore ha tswa le bitlalo le khona gore tswele sekhumbuso mo le bitlelo. Ntho ke pick up ang ko gore ha nako ya Sis Patricia a tlhokofala gone ga nna le tlhakatlhakano e ngata ka funeral ya hae le ka mkho a tlhokofatseng ka teng ele ene nako ya ntwa. E re ke kopa le Mampule go utlwe gore a reng. Mampule e tla ke bona gore o ntshwaretse eng ka bona gore o ntshwaretse ikhamba ne. Why ikhamba?
Okay, sithembele kakhulu kule. Yes.
Yeah.
Campaign. Yes.
So is it because like you guys are people that believe edlozini?
Yes, sithembele kakhulu edlozini.
Okay, so with this ngasho ngathi ukuthi you are saying ukuthi idlozi must be able ukuthi lead the listing and guide ukuthi
sithole
Sis Patricia.
Yes. Ngajabula kakhulu because lisiguide ukuthi udadewethu simthole la khona ngoba iminyaka simfuna.
Okay.
Asimtholi.
Not my. If when we're happy nami happy ngicela ukuthi sihambe siye emanqwabeni and then sibone ukuthi Sis Patricia uthini lapho at the cemetery ne. Mampule ngicela ukuthi ungichazele la while you were busy lapho uyothatha lesikhumbuzo kunogogo wavela la and ngibona ukuthi kunogogo la ugqoka iziduku se-white and ubani lo gogo lo?
Ugogo lona umamkhulu kamamami.
Mamkhulu kamamakho?
Yes.
Was lo gogo lo buried in the same cemetery that the one that we're going to?
Yes, umama uceda ukungitshela today ukuthi usisi wami useceleni kwa kamamkhulu wakhe babhekene so. Uyabona lapha. Yes, uPatricia useceleni kwa kama.
Because the way ngibona ngakhona ukuthi lo gogo lo uthi we must pass through her so that we are able to get Patricia. Do you know ithuna la gogo?
Neleka gogo angilazi.
Okay.
Angilazi.
Because the way you show him is like abantu bahlele kanje.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want. uthi 3 and then bathele kanje. Yeah. So uthi badigama lakho yazi lokho kone.
Ukuzimela
ke. So ngicela ukuthi masifika lapha emathuneni umumemeze nje. Athi umemeze uthi gogo show us ukuthi uPatricia uhlale kuphi. What is the link between ugogo no Patricia?
Ugogo wakhe.
Yes. Ugogo wakhe. Okay.
Yes. So Patricia phela usisi wami manje ugogo wakhe. Yes.
Okay.
Ugogo wethu.
Okay. So why ushovela uthile na when you guys do things lapho alibike kai? Because bathi bona le ndaba le ka Patricia they don't know it ehlozini uthi ulamfuna. It's like you guys did not ask Itlozi for help. So but you just went and latilifuna abuteboho, you know, but without notifying abantu abadala.
Yazi ukhuluma nje iqiniso. Asikaze siphahle ekhaya sikhulume namadlozi ukuthi siyamfuna uPatricia. Siloko simfuna ngomlomo, siyaphuma siyangena siyamfuna.
Okay, so ugogo ukhuluma iqiniso.
Yes, ugogo ukhuluma iqiniso.
Okay, all right, okay. No, kanobani usisi? Usisi Mpumi, okay. What do you remember about Lamathuna la? Because mina lo sis Patricia, she showed me that somewhere along that side. Because le gate la, angibona ukuthi ngathi ila futhi. So I want us to check la. My is not this side, we'll go to that other side, ne? Because you are still connecting.
Igate bell somewhere kuphi? Izindlu ziphelala lapha ekhoneni ne?
Yebo.
Yeah, ni gate bell somewhere lapha ya. Uyabo sihlike kude.
Okay, let's go last.
Let's go there. Gate bell somewhere lapha. Masingena egateini besiya so.
Okay, so right already.
Right.
Ngibonela la.
Yes,
okay,
right.
So let's go there. Lo muntu lo wena sisibulo uthi washona ngama riots akere. Ngiright.
Yes.
We umuntu lo be comrade.
No,
ba umuntu othanda ama politics.
Abengasi comrades bokuqala kunalesikhathi kuqalwa izimpi la izimpi zamazulu ne
gangsterism. Okay. But ngibona ukuthi there were issues of ama politics and there were issues of ngathi ama parties or culture.
Bokulwa ama parties vele Zulu Xhosa.
All right. Yeah. And then the people ngathi ngabantu ba oh, it's like people from the king or me a different language I understand.
Yes.
So they were fighting with the other people from okay. Yeah. Washa yamshela imove. Uthi there's something like mover.
Yena asanga shaywe ilutho.
Yeah.
Washona esibhedlela.
Yeah, but with a wound. Washona la esibhedlela.
Hey, azange basitshele ukuthi
mina ngibona ukuthi there's a wound. There's a wound because there was sort of like an attack in that. I can say it's a what riots. I'll call it riots because that's what they're showing me. Ukuthi ama riots. Again, le ndaba lesikhuluma ngayo yaphuma eTV neyaphuma emaphepheni because it was a culture clash. Ngathi people are trying to control ukuthi the tribe la ukuthi bakhuluma iphi language, those kind of things, right?
Yes, bokunezimpi ngaleso sikhathi ezi-strong kabi iwostela ilwa nelokishi.
Yes, ngibona kanjalo ukuthi people from this ukuthi la kuphethe thina la.
Yes.
You know, and the other people are like, no, it's not you guys that are here, it's us that are controlling this thing again. Yeah. Lo muntu lo wahlala isibhedlela uthi mina mkhulu ngahlala isibhedlela 5 days.
Yes, ayoteta.
Yes.
Beka yo labor ayoteta.
Ayohlala 5 days ayole.
Wabuya ke ekhaya abuya nomntwana.
Abe nomntwana. Okay.
Yes, uthe makabuyile ekhaya i4 days
asekhaya abhubha.
Waqala ugula futhi Monday, Tuesday wabuyela esibhedlela Monday nje wabhubha Tuesday.
Uthi let's just check that side guys. Uthi let's wait ngancane nje about the labor issues or the her giving birth. But what led her to go esibhedlela? What led her to go to esibhedlela?
Asazi ngoba wakhala ngeheadache.
Yes,
wakhala ngeheadache.
Okay.
Babe bamphutshumisa esibhedlela ke.
Why uthi yena silinke ukushona kwakhe nama riots? Because lo muntu lo while she was busy, I get on the day that those riots were happening. That was the time when she was pregnant again.
Yes.
I get.
Yeah.
So kununtu yamoshakala la.
Okay.
Lo mntana lo who she was pregnant with uphi?
Hey, the story is a long story. Umntwana wathathwa ubabakhe.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Because ngibona ukuthi ukhalela lo mntwana loyo futhi ukuthi why is lo mntwana not with my maternal family? Why lo mntwana lo is with the paternal family? Because there were fights about that exactly. Lo muntu lo uthi umbonisa a day about Wednesday or ngathi umuntu waphuma isibhedlela on a Wednesday.
Yes.
Yeah, something about the Wednesday. Are you agreeing?
Yeah. Waphuma Wednesday.
Oh, waphuma Wednesday. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So waphuma Wednesday. So uthi wafika lapha ekhaya wathi bayakhala about this site kuthi kune pain la.
Yeah.
Uzwa ipain la.
Yeah.
Kunokungathi into emhambayo.
Yebo.
But because her labor or the way that she gave birth, uthi she did not give birth naturally. She gave birth ngathi bamsikile.
Bamfaka i-tablet.
Yes. Bamsika. Bamsika. She complained about the pain here and wathi futhi she complained about the spine. Because ngathi umuntu they were trying for her to relax mabenza this operation. So after that what develop ama symptoms. Ungathi umuntu uphethe ikhanda, uphethe uyavomita, all those things which we can call effects from the operation.
Yes.
So what from there wagula. And then what she says to me where she went to another doctor Lisa to try and help. What do you remember about that?
Why doctor?
Yeah,
you doctor yamtransferela esibhedlela
futhi.
Yeah.
Wathi bayenzane esibhedlela bamu-admit.
Esibhedlela bamu-admit Monday.
Monday
bamu-admit esibhedlela Tuesday ekuseni sathola i-call ukuthi
akasekho. Yeah.
Yes.
So uthi mina la Tebogo ngashona ngama complications. Hamba kancane but we'll get it. Ngicela ukuthi umemezelo mama lo washo simkhulumise.
Kokuzimela.
Yebo.
Yimupule umzukulu wakho. Umntana kayeye unoma yes.
Yebo.
Yes, sila egraveyard gogo sicela usibonise ithuna lika Paul.
Yebo.
Sicela usibonise
ithuna ngikhona la zonthola.
Asilitholi ithuna lika Paul.
Kancane bazonthola.
Sicela usibonise ithuna lika Paul. Ngoba siyalifuna siyamdinga kakhulu Paul.
After what the 80s.
Yes.
Go hai le iponetse khalare tsa mara nya kana le bitla la Mam Patricia ha re fitla mo leng hore le haufi le bitla la hae ba golo ba ile ba re bontsha dikgomo tse di ne di re furaletse ra hore Mam Patricia o re furaletse a happy o ile mo tseleng hape a bolla ka nkholo ra happy ka ngwana ha e leng sebosiso le hore pila nna Tebogo a kenya go re batho ba utleng le bona ba nkeriye. I'm not a happy spirit. Finally here we are mo abitleng a di 90s ke mo a tlo re le mo teng a re bontshe hore o mokae a re eng re monyaki a re
akusabona
lo muntu ula
kule ndawo
ula phakathi kule ndawo la le ashilo kwala. Let's go. Row cemetery number 8 after the one that doesn't have the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, okay, haraf are bona ho salam are bona matlo atlo re ka haraf sibon uyala mo ke batho ba wetseng ke libitla just it's a shape mo re bona and then onkrele ntwemo bareking stinamo orna le number mo ya something 47 something mo 47 bareking 478 era hore nkoleni king this grief king mo ki 47
yes
478 asifao are bona re ka scratch betemo etsa fela shape fela ne they'll come and do it again properly one why athi la la ekhaya la kunento ehambayo la ekhaya?
Yo. Ikhona.
Yini into ehambayo la ekhaya la?
Asazi nathi sifuna ukwazi. Ikhona. Iyahlupha shem.
Uthi when you guys wake up in the morning you can see ama-spots. And then you can hear a sound.
Ikhona.
So uthi lapho lizophela.
Mina ngisaba nokulala ekhaya.
Yeah, uthi lizophela ngoba lo muzi lo is not strong. Uthi fanele ukuthi lize la licele help from bona abantu abadala. Uthi is been long. Uthi bona esabantu abadala baliflathele. You see there, we saw many cows or inkomo sihlele kanje.
Yes.
It means that it's not only one idlozi, it's several idlozi from your people that is not happy. Why I'm cool these people are not happy is because lena these people bakhalela kuye ekhaya bayilothathwa la emathuneni libafake ekhaya lifake imoya babo ekhaya ukuthi akere izilo ukuthi liyakhuphula likhuphula idlozi.
Yes, besisayikhuluma indaba khona.
Oh, lisayikhuluma. Okay. While you are busy khuluming, they'll kill all of you.
Angithi amasenti bewangakahlangani masithi siyahlanganisa.
While you are busy hlanganising amasenti, all of you are going to die. Uthi umkhulumise lapho ubeke isikhumbuzo sakho lapho. Beka umkhulumise umtshele ukuthi letlolukisa mo hantle. Biantwa o itlwele mo umbule mmotsa nthole mmotsa nyona.
Okay. It's nisengapha. Mpumo uzongisukamisa mase angikwazi ukuguqa ne. Ngiphethe idolo.
Uthi mawugquka lapho uzophola, gquka wathi ngikhunama ko khonophola.
Pholi Patricia Ngubeni. Yimi upule usisi wakho. Ngukudala sukufuna mntana sekhaya. Dala sukufuna besihamba sikufuna, siloko sukufuna. Noma singakaze size la egraveyard sizokufuna khona kodwa besiloko sihamba sikufuna le kuma undertaker la asebenzela ukuthi bakungcwabi. Namhlanje yithi nami sikufunile ngifune abantu beMoja Love ukuthi mabangikhaphe bazongifundisa wena. Bangifunisile ke wena ngiyabonga ngoba naku namhlanje ngikutholile.
Ngijabulile ukuthi size samthola uncane.
Yes.
Nasekuzalweni. Kwami bekangasekho.
Yebo, awumazi.
Angimazi.
Ngeke umkhombe.
Mkhomba nje sithombeni.
Emthombeni.
Yeah. Namangavela la ngisho ngithi uncane wami ngoba sonke siyafana.
Banjani ba light in complexion bonke?
Yeah,
ngathi amabushi.
Sisona.
Yebo.
Sisidudla.
Yeah, oh sisidudla nyana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sisona. So ngiyajabula ukuthi ngoba abomama bethu abanye abangasekho amatshe banawo.
Okay.
So size seyigqugquzela noma mkhulu lendaba ukuthi no angeke size sivule lawo amanye ungcana asalele emuva nabanye basalele emuva and kumele kwenziwe vele nawo lo msebenzi wokukhuphula njengoba ukhuluma into esiyaziyo ukuthi kumele siyenze nokuthi kumele kungeniswe idalo into esiyaziyo ukuthi siyenze. So njengoba buke washo ukuthi umndeni uke waba nento ngathi akuzwanwa mhlambe yiko kuke kwaba nama setbacks. So manje sizama lento ukuthi sibuyisane.
Okay.
So sibheke phambili sifuna yonke into
ngiyabonga. Alright, wena Mampule ngiyabonga.
Manje sifuna wena uzosikhiphela le esihluphayo lapha endlini.
Okay. Yeah, that we'll discuss about it, but for indaba namhlanje sesilethela.
Indaba yanamhlanje sijabule kakhulu. Uyazi ngijabulile ngizolala nobuthongo. Ngalendlela ngijabule ngakhona ukuthi ngithola ithuna lika sisi wami. Dala nginesifiso sokuthi ngilithole kodwa ngingazi ukuthi ngizolithola kanjani. Kodwa namhlanje ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ngibonge kakhulu kubantu beMoja Love.
Okay.
Ngathi ningabanceda nabanye abafana nathi.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Nami ngiyabonga kakhulu that you are happy, so we'll talk. Let me speak to my viewers now. You can go this direction, lihambe, and then sizokhuluma. Yo guys, this was one long episode. Lena, at long last remote Mam Patricia, Mampuleng Sela Conor, okay, Ashu, Kiana Marveti Motemo, ka help ya Abanta Batala. Lebone Bahaitore can am on this side, Mama and Patricia Moteng, or when to her, cool. I'm not the only one analyzing this issue. In fact, you are not going to go there's 8 people over Chokofeting. So all of us, Renago Kiswa High, Renago Baritem Sevitica Sates or Lorena, Reconor Vali Pila Morli Moteng. So that's why it had to take us so long to recreate more man Patricia Arvisimoteng.